hope you are fine. Children, you know where I am standing today? You know, have you been to this place? This is a zoo. You can see wild animals in the zoo. We heard that wild animals live in the forest. You can also see them in the zoo. This is the entrance of the zoo. Children, Alice ma'am and Priya ma'am went to zoo. And Mr. Rajiv, who is a zookeeper, he is our parent also. He helped us to visit all the places. We had a good time in the zoo. The Indian bison, Kaatapota. Children, see, we are going to see the bison, Indian Kaatapota. Children, see, the bison is eating grass. Kaatapota. This is lion-tailed macaque. സിംഹവാലൻ കുരങ്ങ്. വംശനാശം നേരിട്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു മൃഗമാണ് സിംഹവാലൻ കുരങ്ങ്. വളരെ കുറച്ചെണ്ണമേ ഉള്ളൂ. Children, you know which animal is this? ഇത് ഏത് ആനിമൽ ആണെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? മുതല. Crocodile. It's a very strong animal. It lives both in water and on land. കരയിലും വെള്ളത്തിലും ജീവിക്കുന്ന ജീവിയാണ് മുതല. Children, now watch carefully. Who is coming? Black bear. Two of them are there. Black bears. See how he is walking? He is watching the people. How he is posing for our video. See, children, he is smiling. Black bear. This is hippopotamus. Hippo. They enjoy being in the water. The zookeeper gave some beans, and how hippo enjoys eating the beans. Hippopotamus. Children, this is rhinoceros. One-horned rhino. ഇതെന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? നീർനായ. See, children, the zookeeper is giving food to the rhinoceros and the deers. These are spotted deers. പുള്ളിമാനാണ്. അതിൻ്റെ ദേഹത്തെ പുള്ളികൾ കണ്ടോ? And look how the zookeeper is giving. See how the rhino opens his mouth to have food. The deers are waiting. We can see the deers in groups. See, children, there are white deers. Some of them are having horns. ഇതേത് മൃഗമാണെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? കൃഷ്ണമൃഗം. We are going to see lion and tiger and leopard. Children, see who is waiting for us? The lioness, Pensimham. The lion is not well, so he is in the hospital. Children, who is this? This is our national animal, tiger. Look at the stripes in his body. Tiger. ടൈഗറിന് എന്താ മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയുന്നത്? കടുവ. Tiger. We saw him eating a chicken. This is another one. Tiger. Children, you know the name of this tiger? George. They caught him from Wayanad. വയനാട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് പിടിച്ച കടുവയാണ്. Which animal is this? Fox. Fox is a very clever animal. He is watching all the people, looking for food. You know which animal is this? This is a porcupine. മുള്ളൻ പന്നിയാണ്. Porcupine. They were all sleeping. Children, this is a leopard. Leopard എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആരാണ്? പുള്ളിപ്പുലി. We can't go near to him. These are dangerous animals. Leopard. He is very furious. This is a beautiful model of a lion done by a person in the zoo. Birds. This is white peacock. Can you see the white peacock? Children, our national bird, peacock. ഇതാരാണെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? മലയണ്ണാൻ. Children, this is an owl. Owl. മൂങ്ങ. കാട്ടുമൂങ്ങയെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Children, this is Himalayan vulture. This is a black swan. Black swan. കറുത്ത എരയന്നമാണ്. ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കുന്ന ഇഷ്ടമാണല്ലേ? See children, these are storks. കൊക്കുകൾ. പലതരം കൊക്കുകളെ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. ഇതാരാണെന്നറിയാമോ? വെള്ളിക്കോഴി. Look at the ducks. Beautiful ducks. These are geese. Geese. വാത്തകളാണ്. Brown rhea. This is brown rhea. Ostrich. Ostrich. മലയാളത്തിൽ എന്താ പറയുക? ഒട്ടകപ്പക്ഷി. Emu. Emu. Children, we saw different birds, macaws, parrots, grey parrots. Birds are very beautiful, isn't it? They have colorful feathers. These are parrots, different varieties. African grey parrot. Children, we saw a butterfly park, Chitrashalabha Park. We saw many butterflies in the park. ഇനി നമ്മൾ റെപ്റ്റൈൽസിനെ കാണാനായി പോവുകയാണ്. പാമ്പുകളെ. പെരുമ്പാമ്പ്, റോക്ക് പൈത്തൺ, മൂർഖൻ, കിങ് കോബ്ര, ചേര. This is green anaconda. See? Very big, isn't it? Children, we saw the Natural History Museum. In the museum, we saw model of many animals, sea animals, wild animals. This is rhinoceros, stuffed rhinoceros, stuffed birds, different species of birds. Look at that peacock. All these are stuffed birds. Eagle, vultures, big and small birds. You need one full day to see everything. Look at the parrots. Beautiful, isn't it, children? Yes. The stuffed animals. You can see the cheetah, the lion and the lioness. Look at the giraffe, the tallest animal, and the zebra, who's a grass-eating animal. Leopard. Children, these are the traditional dresses of different states of India. നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലുള്ള പലതരത്തിലുള്ള വേഷവിധാനങ്ങളാണ്. Children, how was the play? Did you enjoy? So you all should come and see the zoo. Okay? See you again. Thank you.